guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It would truly help our channel. Happy reading! Hi everyone, so this is chapter 15. So let's unfold the drama. Chimutang, are you courting death? Fierce. Naiinis na siya. 2 beses nang nahinto yung pagsustart sana ng kasal nila. Are you abandoning me for this woman? Umiyak pa. May paiyak pang nalalaman. It seems what happened between us is all my delusion. I give you one last chance. Galit na talaga siya. Get off. Hold. I'll settle it. Diba? Ang ganda ng bride. So, siguro nakilala na talaga niya to sa previous life tong dalawang to. Kaya parang wala lang sa kanya, no? Do you have any idea? Gulat siya eh. Ang ganda ng silver rose sa hair niya, no? Pass. Here, wipe your tears. Bagay sa kanya yung suot niya. Pero bakit nakaano talaga? May cleavage talaga? Witch, return Lynn to me. O, diba? Kala mo, ikaw lang yung artista, ha? Siya din. Kala mo lang talaga. How can I live without him? Diba? Akala mo, ikaw lang talaga yung artista. Mas magaling siya sa'yo. Why are you all bullying me like this? Have I not been bullied enough? Nga. Oh, damn. She cries so griefly. I was stolen and sold by a bad guy to a remote and poor village when I was a kid. I had been blind for a decade years. Finally, my eyes cured and my parents found me back. But my boyfriend cheated me, dating with my sister. O, diba? Dami nangyari sa kanya. Nangyari ba talaga sa kanya yun? Gawa-gawa na lang yung mga ibang part dun. Well, I forgave that. And I finally get a chance to marry Lynn. I thought I finally had a promising future, but you appeared. So many things happened to her. Lagot ka ngayon, padama-dama ka pa kasi. Since you want me to give him up, there's nothing for me here. There's a river outside. I wish you happiness. Diba? Papakamatay na lang daw siya. Oh. You're gonna drown yourself? Diba? Yung mga marites. Acting. I'm also good at acting. O, diba? Nga ka ngayon. Ay, parang nagbago yung mata niya. Hey girl, wait a moment. Do not act in impulse. Ikaw nga lang nagdadrama dyan eh. Lagot ka ngayon pag nagpakamatay yan. Ikaw susunod sa burol. Where did Lynn find this girl? She is so miserable. Girl, life is beautiful. Don't do that. How could it be beautiful? I was sold when I was a kid. You're back home now. I was blind for a decade's years. You're cured now. Our world is so beautiful. You should look more. I was cheated by my ex. You've met a better one. But he's gonna grab by you. Reach his limit. Nga nga. No, she's gonna die if I keep acting. Just tell her the truth. Nonsense, how could I do that kind of wicked thing? Galit din siya. Let me explain it. I was just joking to make you laugh. Lynn and I are just good friends, Mishi. You can marry him safely. If anyone dare grab him from you, I, Ji Mutang, will stand up for you. Masculine. May pa-change, change outfit na naganap. Pa Prince Charming agad. Lynn, she's a good girl. She is willing to sacrifice her life for your happiness. Ikaw nga lang nanggugulo eh. You must cherish her, understand? Ano na naman gagawin mo? Hold. Don't jump into the river, just jump into the tomb of marriage. You should be together until you die. He's on such a whim. If you dare bully her, I will give you a lesson for her. Put on. Ikaw nga yung diba, nang istorbo ng kasal nila, sira ulo to. Anyway, that's the end of this chapter. We'll see what will happen in the next one. See ya, guys! Hey, so this is chapter 16. Let's see what the drama unfolds us. If you dare bully her, I will hunt you down. Ikaw nga yung storbo sa kasal nila eh. One good deed a day keeps the doctor away. I'm going back to my shooting scene. See ya! A good Samaritan. So feeling niya good Samaritan siya. So annoying. Then, dear, shall our wedding continue? Alam niyo talaga, kilala niya. Sinabayan niya yung drama eh. They should give this woman a Best Actress award. Kagalit. Natapos din, di ba? Mommy, awesome. Ito naman tong maliit na to, di ba? Napaka-supportive. The wedding shall continue, so is there anyone against their joining? Anyone? Galit ka na, father. This is the end of this question. Anyone who says another word will go to sleep with Sebastian. Go directly to the end. Hanggang diretso na. Yes. Diretso na sa I do. I remember that Sebastian is Lindu's pet, a Black Panther. Cute ah. Parang may ganitong story din. Tapos tiger. Why do the father and son love wild animals so much? Oo nga, Crocodile yung isa eh. Mona. Si Sebastian tsaka si Mona. Now, the groom may kiss the bride. Nagkakahiyaan pa sila. He hesitated. Although, he always looks cold and aloof. His ears turned pink. Ay, nahihiya din pala ang ating kuya. Cold. We use secret move. Kiss to kill. Di natapos din. Ang seremonya. Puff. Buti may payong ka dyan, boy. My cousin Lindu, the CEO of the Lins, the leader of the prominent Lin family. Even the president is afraid of him. Siyempre siya na yung asawa eh. But now, his wife is forcing a kiss on him? Put back. Uncle, easy, easy. Brat, watch your mouth. That's not a forced kiss. Oo nga, hindi yan forced kiss. We is really daring. But she passed the test I arranged before when I asked someone to tell her that Zoo was missing. She immediately took off her wedding dress, which had took her a lot of effort to put on, and went to look for Zoo. Of course, second life na niya yan. Alam niya kung gaano ka-important si Zoo. And siguradong mas mag-e-effort siya ngayon. She is really caring about Zoo, not like those selfish girls with wealthy backgrounds. She's kind and capable, and being fisty is also her merit. My son also needs someone to contain his temper. Hey, you bump into my teeth. You're so impatient already. You're flattering me. I just kissed you when you were ready to be kissed. But Mr. Lean, are your teeth a great wall or something? My tongue couldn't get through them. Shame. Rap. Oh, ano ka ngayon? Natudala si Ateng. Ma-pride din kasi ito si Koyang eh. His kiss is even more aggressive than he used to be. Uy, kasal yan. Goosebumps all over the place. Oh, so he's getting serious and the competition is on. Uncle, it hurts. Right, this is the end of the story. See you in the next chapter, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter.